Hey guys, I was just going to walk you through module number 2, week 1, module number 2. So this one here, June 10th through the 13th. So we have 2 chapters we're covering in this particular module, chapter 13 or chapter 3 and chapter 4. So I want you to read chapter 3. We are skipping chapter 2, so don't worry about reading chapter 2. Watch the lecture videos below on chapter 3. Take the chapter 3 quiz below by Sunday, June 13th before 11:30 p.m. Complete the Elements of Art assignment, which is also below, by this Sunday, June 13th. And then just remember to work on project number 1, which is up here. I'll have this visible for you to see. So go through there, watch the video that I put in module number 1 that covers project number 1. Just in case you have any questions, watching the video in module number 1 might help with that. So make sure you do that. And just make sure you're working on project number 1, because that is going to be due at the end of week 2, which is June 20th by 11:30 p.m. And it's worth 15% of your grade. And then complete the Ed Puzzle video quiz below, and that's going to be on linear perspective, which was covered in chapter 3. Same due date. Chapter 4, read that, watch the lecture videos, take the chapter 4 quiz, and then complete the Ed Puzzle video on Renee Magritte, which is below by Sunday, June 13th. So basically everything has that same timeline to be due at the end of the module, which is June 13th. It's a Sunday. So that's the week in a nutshell. We got the chapter 3 PowerPoint, the chapter 3 videos, the chapter 3 quiz, the Elements of Art assignment, that is basically kind of the chapter 3 assignment, a linear perspective assignment, a second here, okay, sorry about that, and then chapter 4 PowerPoint, chapter 4 lecture videos, chapter 4 quiz, and then an Ed Puzzle video on Renee Magritte to end out module number 2, which is June 10th through the 13th.